Good morning, guys. So not a very lucky day for me because I have a flat tire, so flat, and this is the culprit. So my tire pressure monitoring system did not trigger yesterday. Perhaps I got it after I drove home yesterday, and then without realizing it, and the tire got flattened overnight. So now I have to use this one, the emergency tire inflator from Toyota, which I borrowed from my wife. And hopefully after I manage to inflate the tires, then I'll drive it to the nearest tire shop to get it fixed. So first thing first, gotta start my car, and then gonna plug in the socket. Okay, powered on. Connect to the valve. And start to inflate the tires until the PSI, desired PSI.
A few moments later.
So okay, turn it off after you reach the desired PSI. Unscrew the valve, and let's go to the nearest tire shop now. After I inflate the tire to the desired tire pressures, my TPMS still not showing any error, so let's not waste any time. Let's get to the nearest tire shop now. So I'm here safely at the tire shop for the tire repair. So this is the cons of using a non-run flat tires, and yeah, you have to be prepared. And I have been taking it for granted. I don't have a tire inflator in my car, I don't have a sealant in my car, so I guess it's time for me to invest one. So the tire repair is done, and actually they found out that there are actually two nails that punctured my tires instead of just the big one. There's still another tiny one they found out after removing the tires from the car. So guess myself lucky. Guess I'm lucky still. Got the help from my wife's car's tire inflator, and yeah, definitely I'll order one just in case. Lesson learned. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.